Whether you're using an under-the-nose nasal or gel pillows cushion, it's easy to put on your Philips DreamWear mask. Hold the gel pillows cushion under your nose and push just the cushion tips into your nostrils. Make sure the blue gel base is below, not inside your nose. If you are using an under-the-nose nasal cushion, hold it so that your nostrils are above the cushion opening and no part of the cushion overlaps your nose. Hold the cushion in place while you position the frame and pull the headgear over the back of your head. Peel the headgear tabs away from the fabric strap. Adjust the strap evenly until it feels snug and reattach the tabs. At this point, the elbow should sit at the top of your head and the mask should feel comfortable. Now, connect the tubing to the quick release on the elbow. Lie down and turn on your CPAP device. Breathe normally through your nose and turn your head from side to side. If you feel a leak that could disturb your sleep, pull the mask away from your face and gently set it back into place. Try out different sleeping positions until you feel comfortable with your mask fit. To remove the mask, pull the cushion forward away from your nose and lift the mask up over the top of your head.